Last week, we began renovations on Project 101, a multi-level townhome with attached garage. This home is in a superb location in Gilford. Boasting 640 feet of a Lake Winnipesaukee shorefront, this community has spectacular views of the lake and mountains. We have teamed up with Decorative Interiors to design a space ideal for entertaining and hosting guests. The homeowner would like a comfortable gathering space for all 4 New England seasons. Exterior project details include a new deck plus windows and doors. Inside the home, we will remodel the half bath, update the kitchen countertops, tile backsplash, sink, and flooring. Plus, we'll install new cabinetry for the breakfast peninsula. We will also remove the wall between the kitchen and dining room. The wood railings will be updated to cable railings and recessed lighting added throughout. To learn more about this renovation, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow #LCG101.